In this video, we will learn here short vowel and long vowel, how their sound will be. Okay, let's start. Here, letter O is a short vowel. Its sound O. A long vowel O A. Its sound O. So here I have written some words for doing the practice. Let's see some example and solve it. Here I have written first word G-T. If here we add O, its sounds will be got. But the other hand, at the dash place, we add it here OA, its sound will be goat. Here same thing will be happen with the all words. Its sound will be changed according to the vowels. As for example, COT, cot, COAT, coat. Third one, ROD, rod, ROAD, road. SOP, sop, SOAP, soap. Last one is BOT, bot, BOAT, boat.